it was brought here because it was leaking. It's still leaking a little water, as you can see right there. That leak is coming from the water tank. Right here on the water tank, right here at the bottom, right around there, there's a huge crack that is leaking a lot of water to the bottom of the machine. That's one of the leaks that this machine has. It has another one. It had another one right here. You can see the temperature sensor where the scale build-up and the leak was happening. We fixed it. As you can see, there's a lot of scale build-up on the boiler. If that is present here, it's inside the boiler, it's inside the pipes, it's inside the steam boiler as well, and it's slowly getting just scale build-up deposits all through the entire machine. The valves of the machine, they work. A little squeaky as well. Yeah, you can hear that. It is squeaky. We lubricated a bit, but they still squeak quite a lot, so they need to be serviced. We also found this wire. This was connected to the temperature sensor right here, all the way to the heating element of the brew boiler. We replaced that, and yeah, that's all we did on this espresso machine. We have water coming out there. We have steam. Machine heating up. Hot water we have. And machine also fills up the steam boiler. The machine just needs a water tank. So you can replace the entire thing, the entire water tank. So there you have it, Profitec Pro. Not leaking anymore from the brew boiler. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.